Hi everyone, my name is Mukund Soni and this is the video we compiled for the multimedia assignment. It is me and this is Shubham. We are the two members of this group known as TechDude. We will be telling you about some of the innovative ideas we came up with during Diwali, and it's going to be a serious video by the way. So please bear with us and let's just see what this video is. Diwali is called the festival of light, but nowadays it's becoming more like festival of crackers. The pollution or the smoke that we see outside, the cracking sound or the bursting of crackers the whole night during Diwali that we hear during the nights, it's all related to crackers. So during this Diwali time, we found few of the problems that we need to deal with. Some of these problems aren't even problems, they are issues. The issues in our society that we still need to deal with. So let's just see what those problems are, and we came up with few of the innovative ideas or basically some solutions for the problems. So let's just see what the problems and the solutions we found out. So the first problem I'm going to talk about is related to child labor in cracker factories. As you can see, it's really shameful that in 21st century, children instead of going to school are working in these cracker factories where they get lung related diseases. As a society, it's really shameful that this problem has stayed in our society for more than a decade. So let's just see what solution we came up with for this problem. Let me call my colleague to tell you that solution.
Even in 21st century, we are seeing child labor. According to some media reports, child labor has increased due to sudden lockdown imposed. Due to economic slowdown, many children have left their schools and have to go to work to help their parents, families meet their needs. There are some solutions how we can help them out, but there are also some innovative solutions, like many teachers went to village to help out these children who left their schools. They use public mics, they use temples to teach them. There are many NGOs who are helping them with the mobile phones, smart gadgets, so they can continue their education, online education. These are small steps that we can do to end child labor in India. Thank you.
So welcome back. Now I am going to discuss with you the second problem. The second problem is related to pollution. The pollution, as you can see here, Delhi is considering to lock down its city because the API or air quality index is so bad that it is harmful for the people living there. So we will be discussing about the solutions to solve this problem, the problem of pollution created by crackers and how we can deal with them. So let's just see what innovative solutions we came up with.
As we all know, Diwali is the festival of colors, but nowadays we are making the festival of firecrackers. Burning of firecrackers leads to release of unwanted pollutants to the environment, which is harmful to us and the environment. The best alternative for firecrackers are the electronic firecrackers. Let me explain you what is the electronic firecrackers. These are remote operated electrical firecrackers which consist of sparkles and colored light. This will be more entertaining than use old style sulfur containing firecrackers. Now for stubble burning, the government is going further away steps by helping out farmers with financially as well as by taking their stubbles and decomposing them at their own levels. They are going to their fields by scientific ways, innovative ways. They are helping them out.
Now we will be discussing about the third problem. The third problem we are going to discuss today is related to climate change. As we know, the temperatures of Earth have been risen by 2 degrees in last century. We need to do something right now because in future we might not be able to help it. So we should think of solving this problem as an humanitarian crisis and solve it right now. So we came up with some of the innovative solutions such that we can solve this problem.
Really need one mask for corona and one mask for pollution. After Diwali, we the people of Delhi are forced to wear 3 masks, 2 for corona, 1 for pollution. Even in our homes we have to wear masks. You can think what's the level of pollution in Delhi. Our earth is becoming hotter day by day. The climate is changing by 2 degrees Celsius every year. That is very worrying. Now I will suggest some solutions for how we can control the climate changes. The mother of all solutions: plant more and more trees in your homes, in surroundings. The more you grow trees, more you can save our earth. We can use clean and green fuels. Electric vehicles are the best alternatives for petrol and diesel cars. Plastic packaging, we can use 3 basic R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. Some of the best innovative alternatives are we can use electric roads. In Europe, they are building electric roads so that electric cars can run on them and we don't need to even charge them. They can get this power from those roads. We can also build solar roads like that. We can use wind energy, the heat which is coming from the earth. These all are practical. These all we can implement. These all are practically possible when you become more and more aware to save our Mother Earth. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching our video. Me and Mukund are very delighted to present you the video. Shower your love through liking our video. Please comment out the best part and the part which you didn't like also. Thank you.